how to add background image in Google Form. Okay, so when you look at the top side, you are going to see this painting icon. Simply come in and click on it. Then when you click on it, you will come here to the theme. Okay, and then from the theme, you can come and then customize all of it. Okay, you can simply come and then upload your own image using this option. But before we do it, let me show you. You can also change the colors as well. Okay, and then you can also change the background color. So let me change it by clicking on this, and as you can see, it has successfully changed. Not only that, we can also customize our own background color. Okay, so let me try and then customize one by clicking on the plus icon. Okay, so when you click on it, the colors will come, and then you can then come and then select any of them. Okay, and after selecting it, all that you have to do is just come and click on add, and it will be added. So let me choose the new color by clicking on this, and as you can see, I have been able to change the background color. Now let's change the image by coming here to the header and then come and click on image upload. Okay, and then from here you can come and then select any of these category. When you click on it, that type of image will come, and then you can come and then scroll down and then select the one that you prefer. Okay, so I'm going to scroll through and come and select this one. Okay, after that, simply come here to where we have the insert, and then come and click on the insert, and that particular image is going to be used as the header for you. Okay, so this is actually how you can change the image, okay, by using the image upload. And then you can also come here to upload, and then come and click on the upload, and you can come and then upload your own image to it. Okay, and then it's going to be shown in the photos when you have them uploaded. Okay, so this is actually how you can change the image and then the background color as well. Like the video, and then if you have any questions, leave it in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.